Hey guys, in this video we are going to create an awesome looking text effect inside of Photoshop, which is kind of a blend effect technique that is super easy to create in Photoshop. So this is Vikas from Pixarter, and without any further ado, let's get started. Alright, so here we are in the Photoshop, and if you are new on this channel, please hit the subscribe button, turn on the bell notification for more interesting videos, and let's take a new page and get started. So click on this file, click on new, and let's set the width value 1920, height 1080, set it to pixel, and select this resolution 72 pixel per inch, color mode RGB color, select any background color, maybe white, and click on create. And now we have this brand new page, and for this particular text effect we need a colorful smoke or fog kind of a image. So what we have to do, just go to your folder and select this image that I have downloaded from pixabay.com, and I have given a link in the description. So just go to the link and download this image if you want, and drag this image on this blank page just like this. And after that, let's fit this image according to this page. So hold Alt on the keyboard and let's scale it up just like this. Hold Shift on the keyboard, let's drag it down a little bit. Perfect. And hit enter. And after that, let's rename this layer. So double click on this and call it color. Hit enter, and we have to type a text right over here. So select this T icon and just go to your window, just check this option character for character window, and here first of all we have to select a font style. So in this case I am using this Gotham black font style, and I have given a link in the description for this, or you can also use any different font style that you like. And I'm gonna set it to regular. Let's set the size of this text maybe 300 pixel. Set this line spacing auto, character spacing 0, and let's type anything that we want just like this. And after that, select this text layer, select this background by holding Control, and select this move tool, and here we have this alignment option. So click on this align horizontally, click on this align vertically. Basically we have to set the text in the center of this frame just like this. And after that we have to blend this text with this image. So what we have to do, just select this image layer, right click on that and click on this duplicate layer, or you can also hit Ctrl J to duplicate, and let's call it overlay. Hit OK, and just drag this layer over on this blend layer, and now we have to apply a layer mask on it. So select this overlay layer and click on this layer mask, and as you can see we have this layer mask right over here. And after that we have to select a black and white color. So click on this foreground color and select pure white color, hit OK, select this background and let's select this black background color, hit OK. And now I'm gonna fill the black color on it. So hold Control on the keyboard, hit backspace to fill the black color on this layer mask, and we have to paint with white color. So what we have to do, we have to select this paint brush tool, and for the brush let's select soft round brush just like this. Increase the opacity to 100%, flow 100%. You can increase and decrease the brush size by clicking on this big bracket button on the keyboard. Alright, or you can also control the size of this brush from here just like this. Alright, and now we have to paint over here. So before that, select this text layer, let's down the opacity to 50% just like this, and then select this layer mask. Let's paint with white color according to the flow of this color. So take your time and create nice effect. Let's leave the N as it is, and I'm going to highlight this flow right over here. So let's paint just like this. You can increase or decrease the brush size. It's looking perfect. Let's go to the another character. So I'm gonna paint right over here, maybe just like this. It's looking nice. Now let's paint right over here as well. All right, and now just select this text layer. Let's increase the opacity to 100%, and it's looking much more interesting, as you can see. And let's add a drop shadow effect on the text. So select this text layer, click on this FX, click on this drop shadow, and let's create a nice drop shadow effect. So let's set the opacity maybe 30%, distance 20, size 50, and it's looking much more interesting drop shadow effect, as you can see. You can crop the image a little bit, so just select this crop tool. Let's select 16:9 proportion, hold Alt on the keyboard, and let's crop it just like this. Hit enter. Now it's looking nice, and select this move tool, and let's apply one more effect. So click on this adjustment icon, and let's apply brightness and contrast, and let's increase the contrast value and set this value something around 25, and it's looking much more interesting, as you can see. And that's all for this tutorial, guys. I hope you like it. If you like it, then hit the subscribe button, click on the bell icon for more interesting videos. My name is Vikas, and I will see you in the next one. Till then, bye bye.
I'm the girl that they don't talk about, quiet with a big mouth, listen for the doubt.